friends, back to a new video after a long time. As you have already read from the topic, in this video we are going to talk about Instagram tips and tricks. So, in case you forgot or if it's your first time, it's me your host Himal. You are watching Himal Profile. Let's go into the video.
So we are here into our device. Make sure that you have upgraded your Instagram to the latest version through the Play Store and you have logged in your account. The first trick here is getting notification for post. So through this feature, what you can do is you can turn the post notification, and after doing so, you will be notified every time as soon as that account uploads a photo or a video, so that you will never miss an update from your loved ones. So let's go into the second one. So through this feature, what you can do is you can stop unwanted comments in your post. So go to the profile and press the three dot right at the top. So and go to the comment section, which you may find right there. Yes. So through this feature, you can stop someone from commenting in your photo, or you can select specific group of account which are allowed to comment in your post. Or what you can even do is you can select a specific word or a phrase, and after someone uses those words to comment in your photos, they will not be able to comment and an error will be shown. So it's a great feature if you want to try to stop someone from commenting in your photos, or you want to stop people from abusing in your photos. So give it a try, and let's go into the third trick in checking the privacy of an account. As we all know, we cannot see posts of a private account, but many times what happens is we follow someone and we don't know if their account is private or public, and just to check that, we unfollow them and follow them again. But if you go to your following section and try to unfollow a private account, you will be getting a warning saying if you change your mind, you have to request to follow them again. But if you try to unfollow a public account, you will not get that warning. So in this way, you can know if the account is private or public without unfollowing them again. So the fourth trick is not a new one, but it lets you save your data while you are using Instagram in mobile data. This feature is pretty handy when you don't have a Wi-Fi connection. So these all were the tricks which you can perform through your Instagram app. The next trick, we are using two applications, but you can use any one of them. First one is Video Downloader and the second one is Vidmate. If you want to download the Video Downloader, you can directly download it through the Play Store. But if you want to download the Vidmate, you have to install the APK. So if you want to download the APK, there are the links provided in the description box below. Let's say we want to save any photo or video from Instagram. So what you have to do is we have to press the three dot and copy link. So as soon as you click on copy link, an image will be saved in your gallery through the Video Downloader. But if you are using Vidmate, you have to download it manually. So here you can see it shows a photo, and as soon as I go to my gallery and check there will be a photo saved in a folder called Insta Download. So it's too easy to download a photo or a video through Instagram. Give it a try, and if you like this feature, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So the next app I'm going to show you let you perform 6 different tasks. So the name of the application is Unfollowers for Instagram. You can directly download it through the Play Store, and I have already downloaded it. So you can see on your left hand side of the screen. So these all are the features or tricks which this app allows you to do. So make sure that you have installed it through the Play Store, and after opening the app, it asks you to log into your Instagram account. So let me log in here. So as soon as you log in with the Instagram account, it started to search for the followers. So the first section here is don't follow back. So these all are the accounts which have not followed me back. So what I can do is I can directly unfollow them through this particular app. The next one is recently unfollowers. So this shows the account which have recently unfollowed you. The next one is mutual. So there are 92 accounts which have followed me back, and I have followed them too. So the next section here is fans. So there are 410 accounts which I have not followed back, but they have followed me. So the next app here is Ghost. So what does this does is it shows the number of accounts which have not liked or commented in your recent pictures. So it may take some time to load. Let's see. So the loading is completed, and you can see on the top on that yellow bar it is written that followers who haven't left any comment or like under your latest publication, which means your latest post. So it's a pretty handy feature which this application allows you under the ghost section. And the next section here after the ghost is follow. So these all are the account which I follow, and the last section here is the comments. So it will load and show the latest comments in your photos or your videos. So these all are the latest comment in my photos and videos, which are all here bundled up in one section. So these all were the 11 tricks for this video, and if you want me to make the second part of this Instagram tips and tricks, let me know in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching the video till the end, and if you ended up liking this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. See you all in the next video.